So this synthetic wig is on Amazon and it is only $21.99. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. If you want to win this wig, because that's what I'm gonna be giving away, this is a synthetic wig and it is not a lace front wig, it is a simulated scalp wig. I'm gonna fix it first of all. I'm gonna make it look a bit more realistic than it normally comes. And if you want to win this wig, you gotta be subscribed to my channel and I will check. And you have to like this video and comment as well. Okay guys, so see this little area here? We need to remove that little lace part. So get your shears out and just start cutting into that. Be careful you don't poke through the actual wig, so just be gentle with that. And it should come off pretty easily. And then we're gonna pull the part that's folded over. We're gonna cut that off as well, and that will instantly make the wig look much more realistic. So again, this is a really easy fix, but it's something that not a lot of people know, and I do have another video on this exact topic, so if you guys want to check that out as well, I'll leave that in the description box below for you guys. So yeah, right now I'm just removing that part, and you'll see like instantly it'll start to look more realistic once you remove that part. Okay, so now we're going to start tweezing the hairline just where the part is, mostly around the part where it was folded, sorry. And yeah, just start plucking away. I don't think you can really pluck too much, so go crazy with this part. The more hair you remove, the more scalp you're going to have, and that's going to give room for the next step, which is where the nail file will come in hand. So the next step we're going to do is grab our nail file and we're going to rough up that surface of the scalp, because when you originally get it, it's very smooth and nothing will stick to that scalp if you just try to apply some foundation or even powder. So you need to beat up that scalp just a little bit, and the way that I choose to do that is with a new nail file. The sides are pretty sharp so it can fit in between that part, but be careful because when you're doing this step it will also remove some of the hair, so don't pluck too much. Be careful when you're doing that because it will tend to like remove a bit of hair, but again, it's not the end of the world. If you do, you will just have a more realistic looking scalp. Right now I'm just combing away the hairs, and now we can go in with some foundation. I like to use a pretty flat tip brush for this application of the foundation or concealer. Be careful when you're spreading this because it does tend to slip out of the line and go everywhere, but if you do get it anywhere else that you don't want it, just remove it with a makeup wipe or a wet rag and it's no big deal. before we put the wig on and try it on and see what it looks like, I am just doing the finishing touches and just getting, you know, the spots that I might have missed or that might show through, and just going in a little bit more on this part here because I noticed that the foundation concealer didn't want to stick. It's still not sticking as much as I'd like it, but that's okay. It's still gonna look good in the end because now I'm gonna put some powder and you'll see the finished product. So this synthetic wig is on Amazon and it is only $21.99. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. You saw how I fixed the scalp. Rest assured you guys, it's not shiny at all and it doesn't feel bad at all. Just running my hands through it, it feels really soft. So definitely check them out. It's super easy to fix a hard front wig, as you guys saw. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Thumbs up this video and comment if you want to win this giveaway, okay? And you follow all the steps and it'll be randomly chosen winner, and I'll announce that either on IG or on my community page on here. So you'll definitely have to be subscribed, so you might as well do that now if you want to win this wig. Bye!